For the record, one of the first calls I got after I wrecked the car 3 years ago was from John. He said, anybody who's fast puts one in the wall. Now you're a real racer. Welcome to the club. And here's where the story goes from there. Any of this, I'm going from the most exciting car out here, like a 200 horsepower, 20-year-old Pontiac, to some boring four-door someone's gonna let me borrow, so.
This is like an old man's Cadillac? What is this thing?
I think so. I don't know what all these race win things are. I have no idea what that's all about.
Hey, who's this guy?
I don't know. He's just some guy up here that said he was just like breaking it in or something. I don't know.
Oh, okay.
I don't know. So we're gonna get this, two-pedal Cadillac. I can't imagine it's very fast with like. Dude, seriously, he's got 315s on the back of this thing. So yeah, he's got 315s on the front of this thing. That's probably the more impressive part of this. So yeah, we're gonna go around Waterford in a T2 car that's won like 10 races, and roughly twice the horsepower I'm used to. And the last time I was here with one of these, it kind of ended poorly. So I think things will go better this time, and we're gonna give this a shot and see how that goes. Wish me luck. Difference, okay?
Well, it sounds like someone wants the right car today, and you're not willing to sell it to them.
Just saying. This is lesson number, I don't know, whatever it is on why Alan will be broke for the rest of his life. So but I'll love every second of it.
I would suggest you don't go down to third.
What's that?
Don't go to third.
I think I did that once, and it ended bad.
Just use fourth and fifth.
Fourth and fifth?
Yeah.
Got it. So this is what
These are eights.
this is what an amazing seat feels like.
Call it the track attack. I haven't seen the side one.
You know, if I would have done this 6 years ago, you guys would be sitting here with a shoehorn.
It's here. It's right there.
Oh, you got it. Can I move it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Probably got knocked.
Oh, there we go. Clear as day.
Yeah. Like when you get to the end down here at turn 6,
Yeah.
put in fourth and drive fourth all the way. And
Fifth
you'll
on the
have-
front, fourth
and then
back
you'll
on the
have
one?
to shift to fifth going onto the front straight.
Okay. Yeah, fifth into the front straight, and then fourth back down out of 6.
Yeah.
Got it. Okay.
And
Don't laugh. It's going to be slow.
it's all right.
That's going to be slow. It's gonna be very slow.
And then manual shifting.
All right. Here we go doing YouTuber stuff. Off we go.
Quite the stance, doesn't
I mean, it's kind of like driving a Cadillac, except really damn fast and really raucous. So, I don't know. That was a f***ing riot is what it was.